We back home. The cover blew off the lawnmower. Palm fronds everywhere. But the good news is now I don't have to get in here with my Sawzall and cut off all the old shitty palm fronds. Now I just gotta pick them up out of the yard. So this is we obviously didn't get hit too hard. This is what's going on here. It's like the neighbors are pretty good to go. I don't know, I haven't seen the front side. I'll see if I still got a hammock over here. Come on, buddy. Jackie boy's gonna snip every damn one of them because they all knew. Huh, buddy? Yeah. Well, the path got wider. That's nice. Hammocks, well, still there, kind of. Looks like it might be a little fucked. Yep. Looks like it's gonna be time for a new hammock. Oh well, I didn't fit in the old hammock. Probably won't fit in the new hammock either. Not too bad though. Looks like this part of the yard looks better than the other part. The bay is still here. So yeah, a couple of you had mentioned, well, a couple of you were like proud of me for leaving, and a couple of you thought I was a giant pussy for leaving. But that's it right there. That's what stops the ocean from turning my house into a salty seagull. So yeah, we got the hell out of here. It's Jackie Chan's motto: safety first. This got hit pretty good too. Oh well. Nothing too about to do it now. Everybody have a good day.